Shosho guys, welcome back to Speaker Nawe. I'm still your boy Taylor DJ. So today bengifuna ukureactela kwindaba engiyibonayo like ama-group especially ama-duo lapha abantu abawu-2 ba-split ukuthi mhlawumbe ngabe inkinga ikuphi because sokhumbula bekukhona i-Black Motion yahlukana kwaba khona i-Room Pitch yahlukana. So ngisanokubona indaba-ke la ukuthi uJezzwek benoThukuthele after bedominate u-2025 bathi bazo-release ama-solo project. So angazi ukuthi mhlawumbe inkinga ngabe ikuphi mase when it's coming to ama-duo why abantu bengalast especially sebenza imali ndawonye. Example abanye abantu abangalastanga nabo uReese benoZuma and nabasheshe basplitha before benza imali. So le movie kaJezzwek nayo eyengixakile again amanye amajita aseDurban la agude kakhulu igqomu awo-producer ababiza no-We Them Boys nabo basplithile la ngisanokubona nje ivideo trender laphana bekukhona enye podcast lapho ebizwa ngegqomu link yaseDurban nakhona laphana amajita asplithile. So angazi ukuthi ngempela ama-duo nama-group yini abaxabanisayo especially abantu abaqalayo because ngi-understanda i-Black Motion yahlukana after 10 years ngiyayihlonipha kakhulu because bese bekwazi ukuthi maybe accumulate imali eningi ndawonye but la amanye ama-group bavele bexabane besaqala. So angazi basikhiphani ngama-duo ngama-group like uMurumba Pitch because bake after behlukene nabazamile ukukhipha ama-projects awu-2 awalendanga because besibathanda be-group nabo bebekade besebenza be-group into ababeyihlangana bese-group asazi ukuthi mhlawumbe omunye ubekade egudi kwi-production omunye ubekade egudi mhlawumbe ekufinanceni izinto but I think nje mase behlukene ayibisasebenza into yakhe but ngibona ama-group aloku yahlukana nayo ne-We Them Boys nabahlukene again. So nje mhlawumbe abantu bengakhomenta mhlawumbe ukuthi yini isho ekhona kuma-group ngempela ngoba awalast ama-group amanje ama-group akudala la khabo squad akhe babekwazi ukuthi behlalisane ndawonye isikhathi eside even abanye sebe-release ama-solo projects bephinde behlale phansi besebenzisane but laba manje hayi bavele bekhipha i-album eyi-1 eshisa noma ingoma eyi-1 next day sebexabene. So I think ikhona inkinga ekhona kule ntsha yamanje like abalast kuma-group but nje indaba le ye-We Them Boys noJezzwek noThukuthela ingiphethe kabi because I don't think mase besebenza ngokuhlukana bazoba dominant njengala step because abantu abaningi beyithanda lento yabo iyikhombo. So uThukuthela mase ezoshaya into zakhe yedwa ingasekho i-production kaJezzwek I'm not sure if mina ngiyafuna ukizwa leyo nto leyo. i-We Them Boys mase ihlukene omunye because omunye umjida lo we Them Boys uproducer. So lo munye mengasekho lo producer angimazi ukuthi uzosala enzeni lo munye because ke bebekade bebalansiswe nalo production. So I think nje amajida ashawe lento kuba selfish wonke umuntu ufuna ukuthi no imina okade enswephu so mangasekho igroup izoshona phansi. So nje ile nto ngifuna ukureactela ngoSpeaker Nawe ukuthi ama-duo nama-group but ke sekhona ku-Twitter ethi Speaker Nawe sikhona ku-Facebook abantu abafuna ukucomment benza ama-engagement sekhona and sikhona na ku-Instagram sikhona ku-Twitch Speaker Nawe we out.